My mom was so cute. She took me to Merle when I was 13. So that I didn't look like a vicious trollop. Dirty whore was already taken. If you're a Gilmore Girl, you get that. Hey y'all, it's Christy. Let me set the scene for you. So I'm sitting on my couch, no makeup, reading glasses on my head, hair a mess, and I think, what would AI do my makeup like? Like maybe it'll have some great suggestions that I can use to enhance and maybe hide some of the, you know, dark shadows or blah, blah, blah. It pops back out with this and I was like, that doesn't even look like me. I mean, it does, but it looks like the hot, hot sister that I don't have. I never look like this. Like she looks really about 30, but she's been clubbing. Do you know what I mean? A little bit of tired under her eyes, but not 54. So I thought, you know what? Let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can make myself up exactly how she did. Now I'm sure, I have the laptop over here and it's got her on there. Now I'm sure I can do the hair. I've got really good hair, which thank goodness, I love my hair. So I think I could do that with no problem, but the rest is gonna be a challenge. And I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna put my hair back. And I don't even think I'm gonna take off all my makeup. That's pretty much how I look if I'm gonna go out. I did go out today. I went to a little cooking class with my friend Heidi. I will take off my eyeshadow and my lipstick because those are different. And that's one thing here that she has, like her eyes are very glamorous. And I love that. They're beautiful, but they just don't look like me. And her eyebrows and my eyebrows, totally not the same. I mean, hers are bushy and pretty and full. I mean, they're not like Brooke Shields bushy and, you know, whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna take those things off. I look like I've been sucking a sow, as my mom and dad used to say, with makeup all over me. Okay. And I don't know about y'all, but in the 80s, we did not take off our makeup to put new on. We just like went for it. So I'm gonna use what I always use, which is Clinique's Redness solutions, because I have rosacea, and if I don't, it just looks atrocious. So I'm just going to touch up pretty much where, well, I guess I'll have to do all of it, because otherwise, her blush isn't too strong. I mean, it's heavy, but not like crazy, you know? But I'm gonna cover it up. And cover up this red on my thing. Her eyebrows are very thick. That's what she said. That reminds me of this weekend. So Sunday, my dad and I went to an estate sale at this horse barn or horse farm in North Georgia. You can imagine if you live in North Georgia and this area we went to, it was insane. And we're walking around. I found a few things I like. I'll come back to that in another video. And we go outside. We're gonna walk in the barn, even though we don't have any animals like that and don't really need it, but we're gonna do it anyway. So we go out to the, towards the fence to go out to the barn. And Daddy says, go ahead, honey. And I walk in front of him because he's such a gentleman. And I didn't know, but there was a man behind us. And he said, oh, that is so nice, letting your daughter go in front of you. And he said, oh, unless it's your wife. And I was like, no, I'm his daughter, but thank you, he is a gentleman. And all of a sudden, like this breeze blows in and he goes, whoa, he says, I'm from Syracuse and they're expecting 18 to 24 inches. And I said, that's what she said. And he said, did you just say that's what she said? And I said, I did say that's what she said. I love that's what she said. And he just looked kind of shocked, but kind of laughed a little bit. And he kept walking with us. And I thought, is he flirting with me? Like, I don't know. How do you know? Okay, I know that looks very white, but that's kind of how hers are. So I'm just going to keep going with it. Okay, so there's that. And y'all, I'm not fabulous at makeup. Like, I love makeup, but am I great at it? No, I'm not. And that's the thing, like, why can't AI, that's not even dark enough. Not enough color. Let me see if that's enough color. It's not. This might be too gold. Okay, let me get a different one out. See, that's what I mean. I have a lot of stuff, but I don't really, in general, know how to use them all very well. I pretty much do the same look every time. But this one, I wouldn't say hers is peachy. I would say it's more like brownish color. Heck, I don't know. In my opinion, that's still not enough color. Now, to do the corner, oh God. It's so dark. I mean, she looks like she's about to go clubbing, is what it is. And I swear in the day, I did not look like that to go clubbing. There's no way. Okay, that's not even dark enough. What did I use? What do I use? Okay, no, that's more like it. But even that's not quite dark enough. But sort of. My friend Jennifer is amazing at makeup. Looks like an artist at hers. I'm like, where did you learn that? Because we grew up together. That's not how I learned. My mom is so cute. She took me to Merle when I was 13. So that I didn't look like a vicious trollop. Dirty heart was already taken. If you're a Gilmore Girl, you get that. Anyway, okay, let's see. I swear that's not even dark enough. Let me see if I can do something here. Oh, that's darker. Now, she does have on a ton of eyeliner and stuff too. So that might be where I need to like concentrate on. Woo! Lord, I look like a raccoon. She does not necessarily look like a raccoon. It's just, look at the fallout. Okay, I'll fix that. I got this oh my gosh, I just like ruined it. Maybe not. Let's see. Now, I'm not going anywhere. It's like Friday, 5 o'clock. Just got off work, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm gonna do the eyeliner. And she has it in her Waterline. Look, y'all, do you remember in the day? That's what we use. Ah! And I have, oh, poo, it's brown. All right, I'll just use this black. Well, blackened onyx. That's still not like rounded. I'm gonna have to do some stuff with that. Okay. It's very thick. And she gets in her waterline. Let me get a mirror. Mirror. And I don't ever put it in my waterline. I mean, crap, when we were, I guess maybe we didn't. Actually, I know we did because we used that thing right there to do it. Oh, I do tight line too, so I'll do that. I'm gonna do above because she does that a lot. She does. AI did. I thought it would be so fun. Oh gosh, I look scared. Ah! She looks disgusted. Like, how could you do that to me? It's really funny. do eyebrows because again, hers are bushy. Mine are not. I guess that could be it. That's what she said too. Okay, one of them is like higher than the other. I don't ever do this either. I will tell y'all though, I do use Just for Men, that beard color thing. I'll show you that one day. And it works so well and it stays so well. So if you've been thinking, what can I do to make it last longer? Because mine have been turning gray for a while. Okay. Ooh, Lord Jesus. Again, I would never use that much. Oh, that's not even. Okay, let me see. I have a little spoolie. That's my elf spoolie. I ended up ordering. I went to CVS a few weeks ago and got 3 of their products, 2 things. One was an under eye thing, and I forgot what the other thing was. And I got a makeup brush. Oh, a little bitty tiny one to do under there because I didn't want to be insane. And I was like, oh, I like that. So I went on there and got 5 products for $25. And then they had this brush case. It was $12 for $13. So I got that too. Okay. I still think we need some more color. Okay. 'Cause hers are like, maybe too dark. Crap. See, I just am not good at it. Let me see if I can lighten that up. Give us wrinkles and directions. I need directions too. If I like the picture, that is. Use this and use that. Okay. Now let me clean this up some. Cause there's fallout. I guess I'll do mascara too. Because why not? Okay, now the eye. We're gonna say the eyes are done. A little tad blush in case we messed that up. Okay, and now her color, her lipstick color is kind of a burgundy, but I'm gonna do this like raspberry color, and then I'll use my regular lipstick that I have. And that's my favorite. I literally have 10 spare tubes. That's a story for another time. All right. Okay. As far as makeup goes, that's my best attempt. Like, I have reached max, amount that I can do. But I'm pretty sure I can do the hair. I love this brush. It's like getting a massage. I think that's actually kind of what it's called. Some kind of scalp massage or something or other. I got it at Kohl's actually. When I had Kohl's Cash. I love Kohl's Cash. I'm a discount shopper. Speaking of that, I just got a bra from Kohl's, coincidentally. I had another $10 Kohl's Cash. And when I bought it, the clearance stuff was not half off at the time. And I got a white bra instead of a black one. This is a strapless bra. And I couldn't find, well, I decided not to get the black one because I was like, well, if I like the white one, I'll come back and get the black one. And I loved it. It holds them up so well. And I wasn't able to get back right away. So when I went back to get one, they didn't have the black one. So I got a neutral one, which is actually kind of fine. Because if you wear a black dress, you can just wear a neutral, right? I would think. I don't even know if I need to go back this far. I'll just do the sides like we did in the 80s. No need to do the back. We don't see the back. If you're an 80s girl, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Just so funny. All right, and now I'm gonna do this side. And that just looks like a Nellie from Little House on the Prairie, little girl. I may do another just in case. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this, I'm just gonna kind of leave because that's like almost exactly how hers is. You know what? I wonder if it looked at my phone and saw that I have done pictures of my hair like that. You know, they do everything now. Let's see. Well, that's like almost exactly how hers is. So it comes down here a little bit more. Man, I've worn my hair like this before, but that's what they did. Why they did it like that? I don't know. I don't know poop about it. Okay, let me spray it. Of course, I don't need to spray it. I'm not going out. Okay, this is it. Again, she doesn't know why you do that to her. A little bit with the brow. A little bit angry. Here she is. Now, I'll also show you the one with the lighter makeup and the one that I asked to glamorize. That one does not look like me at all. Now, what I will also show you that I did find a picture that I'd taken. This was like 12 or 13 years ago, so I was probably early 40s here. And that's kind of the less wrinkly, less color under my eyebrows, less bags, eyebrows, my, under eye, less bags and whatnot. But again, her lipstick's a little more burgundy. And she can't believe you do that. Why would you do that? She's grimacing. She doesn't know if she likes you or not. I like you. You're amazing. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. And if you've ever had AI do your makeup, what did it do? Did it give you wrinkles? Like, hello, we've got wrinkles, right? Like, let us see real people with wrinkles. Oh, this is perfect. I was in Ulta today. I had to get more shampoo. And I saw a picture of Christy Turlington. She has wrinkles on her eyes. I'm like, if you give Christy Turlington wrinkles, you can give me wrinkles, like, or my AI, my avatar. Anyway, thank y'all so much. This has been so much fun, and I will see you next time. Oh, and if you like and subscribe, that would be great. And if not, no worries. I wish you the best in life.